Look around me. You can see hardworking people, taking sceneries, and delicious foods. 38.7 km from Santiago City, you will find my hometown, Aglipay, Kirino. Hi, shop ni Kabsat Kimbo, and with this 5-minute video, I'm going to show you the treasures that our municipality proud to offer. And to the nearest tourist destination, a perfect underground adventure, we have here Aglipay Caves and Campsite. Located at Villa Ventura, Aglipay, Kirino, and it consists of 37 chambers and 8 only having been thoroughly explored by spelunkters. The caves boast of peculiar characteristics of their own, such as an underground spring and well-preserved stalagmite and stalactites. But if you want to take a refreshing shower, we give you Coronita Falls. It is known for its unique stair-like formation. So nagpangatayo kabsat adati agdan nga naramid iti kawayan nga pag naantayo agpapandijay nga ato. So makita dito itoy. Here at Aglipay, Kirino, we have a lot of falls. We have Mabo Falls, Napipiwangan Falls, and few more rides. We will reach the cascading waterfall at San Benigno, Aglipay, Kirino. Kakabsat, Pensal Falls, dito Aglipay, Kirino. First time ko tiyapan dito kakabsat. Yung kita nyo, nagpintas, adyo view na. Bali, duwa kakabsat nga layer nga agay ayo. So, nagpintas. But if you are an R-file who loves watching the mountain views, come and visit Pinay Viewpoint. So, arat ito yung Garud tata Pinay Viewpoint ditoy San Manuel, Aglipay, Kirino. Dito nga banda makita tayo dayjay ili iti Madela. Most of the people who visited this place are riders, so come and enjoy riding. These are just some of the places which proves that our hometown was blessed with a lot of natural resources. Ket kas may isang agtutubo nga Aglipayano, karbingan tayo nga alagaan, ken protektaran dagitoy nga luglugar kaano para ti sumarnong henerasyon at dapay dagitoy ket intay tumanen pasyaran. Wait, how about the cow? This giant cow was built for Department of Agriculture in the Quirino Experiment Station at Dungo, Aglipay, Kirino. So right now, we are here at the Kirino Experiment Station here in Dungo, Aglipay, Kirino. And this is not a tourist spot, but they usually take photos with this huge cow statue. And one of our vision is to promote an agro-industrial and tourism in the province. And these are some of our products. Now that's not 5 minutes but rather more than 4 minutes. So that's it. Thank you for watching Agyamannak kakabsat. Agbyag!